I'm Crispin Glover. Max, do not come back here if you don't have the ball. Max.
That is brilliant.
That was a ghost guy.
Max. Max.
Max. Max, you gotta come back here with the ball, bro. Max. Max. Max, you okay? Did something happen to Max? Oh no. Where did he go?
I don't know what's happening.
Oh my God! Has he got the ball?
You are the best.
He got the ball!
Max.
You're the.
Oh man!
Max, give me the ball, bro. Bro, give me the ball.
You're the only one to give it to.
Max loves you, sir.
Kiss, kissy, kissy, kiss me, kiss me.
It's like,
Max.
throw it.
Get the ball, Max.
He said Max. Max.
I love you, Max.
Hey, he got that was the fastest he's been back.
Is he bringing it back? Has he got it for you?
He's all over it.
Give it to me.
He's like, I'm not gonna kiss you on camera, but growl.
Give it to me. Max, drop the ball.
Drop it, Max.
You man.
Come on, Max. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Max, got the ball.
Oh shit. Do you want the bone or the ball? Max, there you go.
Give me the ball. Alright. Snatch that out of the dog's mouth.
Yeah, that was incredible.
Max!
I'm so sorry, Max.
Max.
It's okay. Why'd you do that, man? You didn't have to be that vigorous. It's okay.
Max, let me grab it out of your mouth. Max, come here. Come here with the ball.
Oh, killing him with kindness.
Get him, Max.
Max, you're the best dog of all time.
That's pretty red dog.
We'll see about that.
Come to me, Max. Maxie, I love you.
Oh,
Maxie, you are a good doggy. Can I grab that from your
what a good
total
dog.
dog mouth?
What a good doggy.
Maxie.
He's smart. You found it. Oh, look it.
Maxie. I love you, Maxie. Did something happen over there?
Maxie's just. Maybe Maxie's trying to get a thorn out of its paw. Maybe.
You know, sometimes they get attacked by a snake or something.
Yeah. It is the desert, you know.
Maxie, you okay?
He'll figure it out. He'll figure it out.